So I just took the factory cover off my 2019 AR195 boat. So right off the factory cover is over here. So that's the Yamaha factory cover. I have not been in this boat yet. I have no idea what's in there. The dealer prepped it, but I have not set foot in there. I don't know what's in there, but hopefully everything is in there that I need. But just wanted to do a quick walk around, kind of show the boat as it comes right from the factory. See, it's a good looking boat. Doesn't look like it's scratched or anything. It's perfect. It's looking good. Do is the next video I'll shoot, I'll walk through the boat and we'll have a look at what's inside.